The fourth house is the house of feelings, affection, and the inner world that helps us feel safe, loved, and emotionally supported. This house also relates to nurturing others, showing the caring side of home, family, and the love we give through everyday support. The fourth house represents emotional security, home, and family, reminding us that belonging and closeness help create a strong foundation. This house also connects to the past, traditions, and family memories, helping us understand where we come from and what shaped us. The fourth house is also about land, roots, and belonging, showing how home can be a place where we feel deeply grounded. At its highest expression, the fourth house protects privacy and inner peace, while balancing the private world of home with the public responsibilities of the 10th house.